Hi again. Do you have the hiccups? Yep. Hi. You want to do something for us? Is that a smile? Is that a smile? Are you smiling for the camera? Are you? Are you singing for the camera? Smiling and singing? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's all I had to do was tickle your belly. And we get all that good stuff. Really? You don't say. Peekaboo. Who's there? Who's there? Should we send this video to Daddy? Maybe you should smile more first. Or talk. Tricky with hiccups, isn't it? Hey? Yeah. What else do you want to say? Do you want to say, come home soon, Dad, we want to play? Come home soon. We want to hang out with you. Okay. Check you later. Bye, Kale. Bye, Kale.